Poets and Pancakes by Asuka Mitran. The story is set in Gemini Studios in Madras, now Chennai. It was one of the most well-known film production houses of its time. The author, Asuka Mitran, worked there in the publicity department, which handled advertisements and promotional material for films. Through his experiences, he gives us a behind-the-scenes view of the film world. In the studio, the term pancake does not refer to food. It refers to a thick makeup base used heavily by actors and actresses before shooting. Large quantities of this makeup were ordered from abroad and used extensively in the makeup department. The title itself hints at the slightly exaggerated and artificial nature of the film world. The makeup department was headed by a man known as the chief makeup man. Under him worked several assistants. Their main job was to apply layers of pancake makeup to make actors look perfect on screen. The author humorously notes that even people with naturally good features were heavily covered with makeup. This adds a subtle tone of satire to the narrative. One interesting character mentioned is the office boy. He worked in the makeup department, but was unhappy because he believed he deserved a better position. He often made sarcastic comments about the people in the publicity department. Through him, the author shows the small frustrations and ambitions that exist in any workplace. Another important figure in Gemini Studios was Subbu. Subbu was known for his efficiency and loyalty to the boss. He was multi-talented and could handle many different tasks. Despite his abilities, he remained humble and cheerful. The author presents Subbu as a contrast to the more dissatisfied people around him. One day, a visitor from England came to the studio. His name was Stephen Spender. He was a well-known English poet and editor. However, most people at Gemini Studios did not understand his importance. They attended his speech out of curiosity, but failed to grasp its literary value. This creates gentle humor in the narrative. Later, the author himself discovered who Stephen Spender really was and recognized the missed opportunity. Through this episode, the chapter quietly comments on how people sometimes fail to recognize true literary greatness. Poets and Pancakes is more than just a description of a film studio. It gently exposes the artificial glamour of the film world, the small human ambitions within workplaces, and the frequent gap between appearance and reality. Through humor and observation, Asuka Mitran gives us a memorable glimpse into a unique cultural space. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.